Hello friends, welcome to SAP Knowledge Transfer channel. Today's session is SAP MM contract. Before going to session, subscribe my channel, press bell icon, like and share my video. If you have any doubt or query, feel free to comment and listen. So let's go to session. What is contract? A contract is a longer term agreement with a vendor to supply a material or provide a service for a certain period of time. This is contract. Different types of contract available. There is one is for quantity contract, another one value contract. What is quantity contract? A quantity contract is an agreement that customer will order a certain quantity of product from vendor during a specific period. This is a quantity contract. Value contract. A value contract is a legal agreement with a customer that contains the materials and services that the customer receive within a specific time period. Value contract and for a value up to a specified target value. So this is a value contract. Let's see practically in the system. For creation of contract, T code ME31K. This will navigate the contract creation screen. You can access through via SAP menu also. SAP menu, click on logistics, click on material management, click on purchasing, click on outline agreement, click on contract. Here you see ME31K create, ME32K change, ME33K display, ME35K release. Yeah, first we do the create contract, required vendor, further one code 0 select a vendor. Here we can create the contract via reference to purchase requisition, the reference to RFQ also. First we select normal contract create, size and vendor, agreement type. We have two different type agreement we are using. One is for quantity contract MK, value contract WK. Now I will create quantity contract. I will select agreement type, then give the agreement date, the purchase organization, purchasing group. Plant is not mandatory for the creation of contract. And they are asking the validity end. I will give one from today 1 year. So I will change 2021. Require the material. So I will select the material. Quantity I will target quantity 10,000. I will give one unit price. Vendor. So you can here you see the vendor address also you can see here. Now you select the contract. ME32K for change the contract, given the contract number. We edit the quantity, you can edit here. The contract will change. Now we go to ME21N, creation of purchase order using by the contract. Here you select variant, create contractors. Here our contract number will appear. So click on the select Adobe enter quantity. I require enter quantity, delivery date. Here save the purchase order. So our purchase order is created. Here we are created purchase order using by the contractor. So now we create one purchase requisition ME51N. KUP1 storage location 201. So now I created PR number is 17289. We'll go to create contract ME31K. Now we select the PR reference to purchase requisition. This is our purchase requisition 17289. Click here. Now select the vendor. So select another vendor. Enter the target here. You see here the purchase requisition all appear here. This is all the details taken from purchase requisition. So click the select the line item out of these details. To given the net price for that. Now save the contract. So we save the contract. So this is the overall the creation of contractors process. So I hope this is helpful for you. For further videos, please subscribe and press bell icon my channel. Like and share this video. If you have any query, feel free to comment. I will reply on that. Thank you friends. See you in the next session.